Hi, in this video we're going to make the angle plate from its sketch. First we need to dimension the length of the top plate and define the angle between the two plates. Dimension the plate 150 by 12. Now to create the angle constraint. Select these two lines and click the constraint tool. It should automatically come up with the angle constraint. Change the angle to 40 degrees. Next we must create a construction point for constraining some dimensions. Select the Point by Clicking tool and create the point like this. Turn this point into construction geometry using the Construction Standard Element tool. Note how the appearance of the point changes after you click. Sometimes construction geometries are needed in creating sketches. Construction geometries are used in 2D just like you would use construction lines when drawing by hand. Now you need to constrain the construction point to the y-axis. Begin by constraining it to the y-axis using the coincidence option. Now constrain the point to the top edge of the sketch. This is done to provide an intersection point for adding dimensions. Then dimension the distance between the point and the sketch as 33. Do this for the bottom plate too, but with a dimension of 49. If the sketch goes green, then you have fully constrained the sketch. Any purple lines indicate that you have over-constrained it. Look out for repeated or contradictory constraints. You are now ready to pad the top plate. Exit the sketch workbench and select the pad tool. Change the dimension to 75. Use the mirrored extent option to create a pad that extends both sides of the sketch. By doing this you get a pad of width 150. As an alternative method, select the type as up to plane and click on the face as the limit. Next, click the More button. Enter type as dimension and 75 as the length. You can then click OK to form the plate. Lastly, rename the pad to Angled Plate. You are ready to create the rib for the angle bracket in the next video. See you there.